Well, I'll pay Masachio, Mamen Cow say, be a proud Ghanaian, and my already say Bribia, than who be so Abacabi. Very, very important. Say, who be a cosu or potem, and as a baby, or Juma, and as I now mumble be to a near the Yedi Somoa. Messer Bibre say, who be pe na wakabi. If you see something, say something. Nyoma and some fata, any or mine on Shishay, or mine mra, any or mine abrabon, a bo a year, a bra, a very, very important. And it's an paper make come from out. Bibia, now I can be Bibia, Bemagan, and Punto Timi, a conquer 101, yen in temper, Nafa, and my bill. My men Sanka say continue to exhibit those values, no, core values, no. And yes, say Utu watch and adore my Ghana. That patriotic value, no, and that loving value, no. Very, very important. So, although my Utu Wuchema Maya. No, mine also acknowledge, appreciate you also 100 and no okay, 50-50. Not just a Ghana economy, and it's a very, very important. No, menu, and I'm the age when I'm paying off a mama kwama media or so, and me about Ghana, can say, a cheer, but a muye. Be a proud Ghanaian, dedicating directly to the Jubilee House and to Mr. President. You would the NTABC and I'm pay a menu Nkommo, Mr. President, down Brasim, I just have one community meaning with that. You're interested in the political party MPP or representative Adom. We are interested in Adom as a gender minister. Ministry, a very, very important ministry. But a damn pine, Emma, how any new my answer for Tanetri. Mr. President, you best say what Brasim sent Timia, Yinedi. Yes, answer dear. Fanchiremu ebeto Ghana for Kumasono Ebra. If there one and a more rem. A choir first why you solve your problems or mine muni. Upejaba yes nano da President Rollins, you for the crazy Oyebi. Upejaba as nano da President Kufo Oyebi. Upejaba as Yera John Mama Oyebi, Nanadun su Eyebi. There's a mining punto na Kasan de, and Yadi Juno. Or mining your mebesam, a trust a panel, and Yadi Juno. And the copim see a best solve or mining problems, as you say, young Cassia problems. No, these excuses and explanations, the Becosa. Nankani saying. It's a gender ministry as such a sensitive, relevant ministry. As we speak this morning, Adom Paya for God knows. And the Jubilee House is quiet. The Jubilee House is quiet. Mesre, His Excellency Nana Dankwa Ekufuado. Say to Anamon, because Nyoma do na bi wakani in himself on kasa on bawa kasa on. And to speak to this matter of the gender ministry is becoming too much of an impunity and disregard for yen or maimufua yakoto santine enya gidie wo mu e de tumi share wo any MPP amanyu konis de to so biem de bia da san Nkommo we eba e free eye Rollins so besi President Kufo so besi President Atamel so besi John Dramani Mahama so His Excellency so besi enei na Nana Dankwa Akufo-Addo nipa dodo a eye adwuma ewo abankese mu a yeah, a mine penny for a war. In this case, the Jubilee House. Yeah, man, your summer be saying anopa. Say nipa 995 na year Jumo. Na say mu 337 political appointees are. Yen ye pen ACU. Na nya nansu na AC. Yen ye pen AC. Na nya nansu na AC. Esan say we continue to be beneficiaries of the system. The system is corrupt. The status quo is not the best. Changing it has been politically tainted. To get the results continues to be a problem for us. Young Kassan, you name your problems. You need to bet my prescriber my home as Ghana this year. I must a free as record. But your pekasenti, political mischief, propaganda, and in your mind, for tentino. Our dishonesty is leading us to the ditch. But we are careless about it. It's becoming so something else. Yes, the actors of the land, or shape minds and thoughts, the journalists, let's unite and fight the Ghana agenda. Kaihun say, we only have one Ghana, so be a proud Ghanaian always. Machao, Meko.